Round 11 of the HostPlus Cup, the Ipswich Jets taking on the Tweed Seagulls at North Ipswich Reserve. These highlights thanks to Super Cheap Auto. An early try for Tweed through Lee Turner. Into the 8th minute, and Scott Galliano scored for Tweed as they extended their lead. And Gara Barker scored for the Jets in the 11th minute, their first try of the match. Caleb Nomanu scored a try for Tweed in the 23rd minute. Into the 28th minute, and Todd White scored the Jets' second try of the game. It was back-to-back tries for the Jets when Rico Felinico scored in the 32nd minute. At the break, we were all locked up at 16 all. An early try in the second half when Barker scored his second try for the Jets. Into the 48th minute, and Craig Garvey crossed for Tweed. Lee Turner crossed for his second try of the game when he scored for Tweed in the 51st minute. We had an exciting contest on our hands. Barker scored his third try of the game for the Jets as they came roaring back into the contest. It was 2 tries in 3 minutes for the Jets when Ono Soileo scored in the 58th minute. Just when it looked like the upset was on the cards, Sisefo Fafita crossed for Tweed in the 74th minute. Then the match was put beyond doubt with less than 2 minutes left on the clock when Iwani Sauli scored for the Tweed. A thrilling contest at the North Ipswich Reserve with Tweed defeating the Jets 40 points to 30. Peter Basoldis, Queensland Rugby League.